creators are making tens of thousands per month creating talking avatar videos without showing their faces as well as talking. I set myself a mission to try create similar videos without spending a single cent, and today I will show you step by step how I did it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In one of my previous videos, I talk about the faceless TikTok account and how these can benefit those of you who do not want to show your face, and many of you want to learn how you can create such videos and start making money on TikTok. I took about one whole week to experiment and explore how you yourself can create a similar talking avatar videos, and today I'll be showing you step by step how you yourself can do it without spending a single cent. In total, I used 5 different apps to create this one video. The very first website or app is going to help you to do the scripting. It's either you use ChatGPT or Gemini. Gemini is previously known as Bard and it is by Google. I feel that the script created by Gemini is much more natural. They can suggest very natural languages, so it is very suitable to be used for your TikTok videos. For today's demonstration, I'm going to create a TikTok content about looking young. So I will put in the prompt as follows. Start a story like this. I may look young, but did you know I'm in my 60s? Here's 5 things I did to look young. So at first, Gemini gave me a very short script, which I find it not satisfactory. So instead of using this script, I just asked Gemini to suggest me 5 things that made her look young. From the first results, it is already very satisfactory. I feel that the message and the language used are very natural and it sounded very casual, which I like. I will copy the script and move on to the next app to create the AI voice, and for this I'm using 11labs.io. On 11 Labs, I'll be using the speech synthesis, so I will paste the script just now that I've gotten from Gemini and then choose the voice that I want, which I feel that is suitable. So over at this small button, you can choose the voice that you want to use.
Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself.
But if you do not know, you can head over to the voice library and try to preview the voices available.
Speak softly.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself.
For my case, I chose Joanne because I feel that the voice is very soothing, very calm, and it's perfect for somebody which is around 60 years old but look young. Once you have selected the voice, you can click the Add to Voice Lab so you can use it during your speech synthesis. Coming back to speech synthesis, the Joanne voice will already be saved, so you can just hit the Generate Speech button.
I may look young, but did you know I'm in my 60s? Here's 5 things I did to look young.
After the voice generation has complete, then you can download the file. Next, we will head over to Leornado.AI to generate the AI avatar. Over here, we are using the AI image generation feature, and I paste a description for the app to generate an image for you. So this is how I would write very specifically how I want my image to be, and for your convenience, I have included the description for you under this video. I need to create a detailed photograph of a friendly looking young Asian Chinese girl. So I need it to be young looking and also slim. So I just need to put the necessary prompt and feel free to adjust accordingly. For the fine-tuned model, I prefer the look of this Dream Shaper V7, so I'll just choose this one. Next, we need to add the negative prompt. So you must be asking, what is a negative prompt? It is actually something that to instruct the app to not create these kind of things. For this specific picture, I do not want any scenery as the background, so I also include in scenery so that they don't suggest me an image with scenery. The next thing that you need to set is the number of images. So I usually go for 4 images, and then do not forget to also adjust the ratio of your video. Since we are doing a TikTok video, so we want it to be a 9 by 16. After all this setup has been done, then we can go ahead and click the generate button. To generate this, it says that it needs about 12 credits. Every day you will be getting 150 credit renewed for you. So you'll be able to create a lot of images by using this app. So now the results is out. The image looks fantastic. So choose the one that you feel that is most suitable for you. There are some hiccups here and there. Like for example, the second picture, it looks really freaky. I will not choose that. I'm quite satisfied with the fourth picture, which is directly looking at the camera, because I want a girl that is looking directly at the camera and talk, so that it helped me to engage with my audience. So once you are satisfied with the avatar, then you just click on the picture that you have chosen and then download the image. Now with the avatar image created, we want to create the talking avatar using HeyGen. For the function of talking avatar, I have tried so many apps. Some of them, they claim that it is free to use, but a lot of them, when we export the video, it has a lot of watermarks and the credit they give is very low. One of the more popular ones is the DID. The video quality is pretty good. It's just that when I want to download the video, it will have a lot of the watermark. I tried removing them manually. I could not. It will distort the whole video. It's not something that I want to use, because I challenge myself to find an app that is able to let me create a talking avatar video without paying a single cent. Next, I also tried Talking Head. It is totally free and you do not even need to sign in. The only downside about Talking Head is that the quality is very bad. It is not natural. I feel that the mouth movement is blurred and the quality of the video is also very poor. I have to, export the video and then put into another app to kind of like make the video quality go better. I wouldn't recommend this if you are trying to just testing some of the apps. The one that I highly recommend one is HeyGen. So HeyGen is also pretty easy to use. Since we already have the avatar image as well as the voiceover, we just need to upload the image and then also upload the voice to this app.
I may look young.
The finished video do not have any watermark, but the only downside is the credit given is pretty little. So there's only like free 1 credit per email, and it's also capped at 60 seconds video.
I may look young, but did you know I'm in my 60s?
So it is okay for us to create TikTok video because most of our videos are less than 60 seconds. So it is still fine. I do advise you, if you really want to do this long term and you want to do this as a business, then it is advisable for you to subscribe. Just for your first few videos, probably you want to test out your niche, test out the whole interface, then you may want to consider upgrading to their Pro plan. As you can see, as I download the video, it is giving 720. The quality will be okay for TikTok video.
I may look young, but did you know I'm in my 60s? Here's 5 things I did to look young.
As you can see, after downloading the video, there are no watermarks. And right now to the final app, which is to create the auto caption as well as background music. This is totally free. I've been using this app for the past 2 years for my TikTok videos, and it is none other than CapCut. So CapCut is fantastic if you want to do auto caption. For demonstration purpose, I am using this video that I've generated from DID. So later I will show you how to override it with the actual video I got from HeyGen. So right now I just want to demonstrate this auto caption using this video. So you just need to add video clip to the timeline and then click the text button and select auto caption. So CapCut is fantastic and is really fast in generating the captions for you, and most of the time do not have much errors. So if there are errors, you can manually edit them. Once the auto caption has completed, I will go ahead and choose a good template to use. So CapCut has a lot of templates. Of course, there are a lot which are paid ones, which is labeled as Pro, but the free ones is good enough. So for example, this is the pink color one. I see a lot of people using this. You can change the color. If you don't want pink color, you can choose to white or yellow, whichever that you prefer. Yeah, for myself, I like to use the sentence one with the highlight of each word that is being said, and then you can adjust the font size, the line gap. Everything is customizable and it is very easy to use. And right now to the final step, and that is to add the background music. So background music is very important for any type of videos to set the mood right. So for this specific video, because it's all about beauty and wellness, so I want some uplifting music, which is very motivating, very inspiring music. So I search on the music bar and type in motivation. I have selected this music cinematic system to inspire motivation. So it's a motivational music. I feel that it sounds very uplifting, very motivating. So I choose this one. Over here, you can see that the music is too long. So you can trim it with this button and then delete it. Just press delete on your keyboard. And because the music stopped abruptly, you can actually fade the music by just dragging this part here, drag it towards the left side, and this way it will create a fade out music.
It's like an invisible light that makes you shine from the inside out.
So just now I mentioned that I want to replace the ID with a video that I've generated from HeyGen without any watermark.
I may look young, but did you know I'm in my 60s?
So I just need to import back the clip generated by HeyGen, and after that I drag it to the timeline to overlay on top of the one that I've created. So this is extra step that I use because at first I tested out the DID first without discovering HeyGen. So I don't want to, redo the video or the captions again. So I just put it over just for demonstration purpose. So after you are done, you just need to export the video out. And this is the final result.
I may look young, but did you know I'm in my 60s? Here's 5 things I did to look young. Number 1. I never chased after fads. Instead, I found a sunshine and sweat routine that works for me. Daily walks became my happy place, and gentle yoga kept my body limber.
Creating an AI avatar talking video is just a first step for you to start monetizing on TikTok. If you want to learn more on what kind of business that you can start using your TikTok account, I have a 2-hour training sharing step by step how you can make your videos go viral, how you should do your content research as well as your content ideas. I'll leave the training video up here as well as down in the description box below. Alternatively, you can also go to my website at www.mayeng.co/TikTok to learn from my 2-hour free training. That's all for my video today. I hope today's tutorial is helpful for you to start creating videos for your TikTok account and start monetizing your TikTok account. Do let me know in the comments below if you have any questions regarding today's tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!